give anybody my ID unless I've committed a crime.
So we can make it real easy or we can make it real hard. Well, all I'm asking is for your ID that I identify who you are in case.
You get a chance to talk to the people upstairs?
Who? Jesus?
No, the people upstairs. They have to give you like some type of permit to
start going to church?
Recording in there. Do you have your ID?
Excuse me?
Do you mind if it's your ID?
Let me see your ID.
So do you have your driver's license?
I just want to know what crime I'm committing.
Do you have your driver's license?
Give me your name. Oh, bless your heart. God bless you. See, now the bad thing is for you, unfortunately for you, is I know my rights and I know the law, and I know I'm not breaking.
So Zach is out. I'll give you an update in a second. Right now I'm trying to talk to the supervisor of the sheriff that keeps telling me I'm not allowed to stand on my feet and that I need to leave because this case is over. They just don't want me in there. That's the bottom line. They don't want me in there. They don't want me seeing what they do. They have a problem with me. They don't like that I'm wearing a press badge. And the shit that their lawyer just said is complete BS. Unbelievable. So I just went back in there, stood there peacefully, back out of everybody's way, and for some reason, again, this deputy has a problem with me standing on my feet. I made it clear to him that my back hurts and I can't sit down for a long time. He said, if your back hurts, you can now no longer attend the hearing. You have to go wait outside if your back hurts. That's discrimination, period, point blank. Supposedly his supervisor's about to show up. Let's see what he has to say. Sir? So, what, hi sir, my name's John Felix. How are you? What's your name?
Percy.
Percy and
Weatherford.
Weatherford?
Yes, sir.
And your rank, please?
I'm a sergeant.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is the gentleman's name that keeps throwing me out of this courtroom?
I'm not sure, but I believe Bailiff Grace is assigned in there.
This gentleman right here. This gentleman right here.
Yeah, that's Bailiff Grace.
Okay, so Bailiff Grace now, am I not allowed to stand on my feet in the courtroom?
Are you not allowed to stand on your feet?
Yeah, can he force me to sit down on my butt?
Well, the only problem is if you block the ingress or egress.
No, sir, I was off by the seats over here.
Well, I mean.
The first time he told me to sit down, I did. My back started hurting. I explained it to him.
Excuse me.
I explained it to him.
Yes,
I was
sir.
out all weekend playing golf. I inflamed my back.
Okay.
The reason I'm standing and I'm being very polite to him, just like I was being to him, to you,
Yeah.
same thing, same tone. I said, sir, with all due respect, I'm standing because my back hurts.
Okay.
He said, fine. So you let me stand the rest of the time? Fine. Resolved, right?
Yes, sir.
So the person I'm here to cover, I'm doing a little news story here, his case is over. So he leaves and then he tells me, your buddy's done. You can leave now. And I said, well, I'm allowed to stay here, right? I'm allowed to sit public hearing.
Yeah, it's a public forum. Yeah.
So he says, you have to sit or leave. The guy's engaged in discrimination against me right now. He's violating my rights right now. I have every right to be in there. I have every right to stand on my feet. What he's doing is discrimination. He's violating my 14th Amendment right, my right. He's giving me unlawful orders. I have every right to be in there. And for him to say you need to sit or leave is discrimination. I asked him for an ADA coordinator. He said, I'm not giving you an ADA coordinator. I'll give you my supervisor instead. And I'm trying to keep my voice down and stay nice and calm. But now I'm shaking angry at what this guy's doing because obviously he's not understanding people's rights.
Sure.
Okay.
Well,
Here they come, yo. Here they come.
You can Venmo this, or you can Venmo that. You can Venmo.
Because obviously he's not understanding people's rights.
Sure.
Okay.
Well, let's take a step back.
Yeah,
Down
please.
For a minute.
Yes.
Give me a chance to talk to him and find
Yes,
out.
please.
Because we as bailiffs operate under the authority of the judges. So
Well, you have to follow the law.
I understand that.
Okay.
But inside that courtroom, the judge is the law.
No, the judge is not the law, sir.
But she can dictate decorum.
She didn't say a word to me.
I know, but she may have said to him. That's why I'm saying, let me check.
That didn't happen.
I'm assuming all of this right now. I would just like to go speak to him.
And with all due respect, sir.
Yes, sir.
The judge is not the law. The law is the Constitution of the United States that the
understand
judge
what
also
you're
has to follow.
I understand what you're saying.
When he
But
tells
the-
me to sit down, that's an unlawful order, regardless of what the judge wants.
You're correct, but the judge can also determine who is in the courtroom and who is not. That they have that
Still has to
absolute
be
right.
lawful.
They have that absolute right.
So check, that could be removed for being Hispanic? The judge could say, since you're Hispanic, you have to leave.
Well,
That's, no, you understand?
technically, yes, they
Wrong,
could.
sir,
Yes.
with all due
You may
respect.
not agree with it, but
The judge cannot discriminate against race
You're
or
right.
handicap.
you're right. But they can say for any reason that they decide
No, that's false.
that you can leave the
No,
court.
the judges are not kings, okay?
I understand, sir.
And the judge isn't even involved. He's acting in his own independent capacity, and he's violating my rights. Period, point blank. I go through this all the time. They don't like cameramen. They
Right.
don't
Well,
like
we don't like
press.
to film inside the.
I wasn't filming.
No, I get it.
Okay.
I'm not accusing you of that. I'm saying,
Okay.
you said we don't like cameramen. I said we don't like filming inside. Out here, you're
That's
great.
fine.
No,
That's why every time I filmed, I came out here. When I went in there, I put my phone in my pocket. That's another unlawful order he gave me. He says, you can't have that and the phone needs to be in your pocket. That's an unlawful order. The phone needs to be not recording. He can't tell me where to put it, okay? He's taking authority he doesn't have and subjecting me to it. I have rights under the Constitution. He swore to protect those rights. You swore to protect those rights. And him giving me arbitrary, illegal orders is not going to fly.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm so wound up. But
No,
this is like six times now he's infringed on me.
Okay. I want to make sure
All right, sir.
you're calm down. And
I'm trying to calm down. I was a business owner in this county for 13 years. The deputies for Polk County showed up at my restaurant half hour before I got there. For 13 years, I gave all first responders and deputies free drinks. We're talking about $75,000 worth of free drinks and whatever else, and on Memorial Day and all that stuff. So it's not like I hate cops or anything.
No, I get that.
I'm a constitutionalist.
Yeah.
Cops swore an oath to the Constitution.
Yes, sir.
They're gonna go into recess, you can have a seat, I'll get you in a second. Yeah, he'll call you out.
Will you give me a moment to go?
Go do your thing, man.
and
Thank
find
you for
out
listening to
what's
me.
Absolutely. We would just want to resolve it as peacefully.
Please. We need to know his boundaries.
Okay, where's Bill Rosario? Wait, Sanderson Park Attorney's Office. You know we have the motion hearing.
I was only noticed about the 23rd. I just got this paper today. That's what this paper just came in the mail.
Oh, you be allowed
Dude, this-
better than probation. You complete what the state attorney wants.
Because your friend's done, you need to leave now.
It's much better.
I say, I'm allowed to be in here, right? Well, if you're in here, you need to sit down. Well, let me have an ADA coordinator. You could talk to my supervisor. And then the supervisor comes and says, the judge is the law. And if she wanted to remove you from the courtroom for being Hispanic or black, she can. Like, what is going on in these places? The last time I went to the court in Dade City, some girl accused some female deputy there in, where was it, Hernando County? Accused me of recording when I wasn't and tried to take my phone from me and subject me to some type of detainment. Might as well do the update now. So, all right. So finally, after all the cases go through, they let Liberty Troll go up to the podium. He has his appellate attorney / probation attorney. What's it? Do you care if you give his name? John Mitchell?
Jonathan Mills.
Jonathan Mills is his attorney. He appears via Skype or Zoom or something, and he says, Zach here, Liberty Troll, is never been convicted of anything before. He's paid his fines, which he shouldn't have been convicted or arrested to begin with, mind you. Forget all that for now. He did his probation, he paid his fines, and his lawyer...
No violations.
No violations.
Served all the other elements of the probation as well.
Served all the elements. He did everything perfect. He paid his fines. He did his community service hours. And all he's asking for today was an early release from probation. His lawyer expressed that to the court. And of course, the two effing sows on the other side objected because they had the nerve to say that Liberty Troll's job is to push the boundaries of the law. So him recording in public and being a constitutional free press journalist is pushing the boundaries of the law because he dared to record in a public place paid for by taxpayer dollars. Thank God the judge had a semi-objective view and said, I don't see why we should be holding him. He did everything right. There's no violation. And she let him off. So now he's free and clear of these charges, and now you're going to pursue an appeal, right?
That's right. It's already being pursued.
All right. I'm going to go back to my situation here. Thank you, dude. If you got to go ahead.
All right.
Thank you. Yes.
They're selecting a jury in there. So
Okay, I'm sorry.
Everything you're saying, so you're kind of
Yeah,
disrupting.
I apologize for that.
You have every right to be in there?
100%.
He has an understanding now?
Yes, sir.
He can't force me to...
It was a miscommunication. He was saying, all he was saying is, hey, just step out. He wasn't telling you had to leave. according to him.
And again, this is why we should be able to record inside there. It's public. And what he told you, what you just told me is not what happened in there.
Okay, well,
He said you need to sit down or leave.
You have more.
Your friend's case is over, so you need to leave.
Okay.
And if you're gonna stay in here, you need to sit down or leave.
Gotcha.
Okay, all again is ultimatums and unlawful orders.
Sir, you're more than welcome to go back in the courtroom.
We've corrected it.
Is there any way you can come out here and say, sir, I'm sorry if we had a misunderstanding and show some good faith?
He's in the middle of doing court.
What time is court over?
I'm not sure, whatever.
Are you apologizing on his behalf?
I will apologize.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Miscommunication.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys.
You're perfectly welcome.
I'm not happy, but
I mean, what else
every
can I
time I
do
go to
for
a
you?
courthouse and I have a little tripod and I try to do some independent journalism,
It makes people nervous.
This could be the smartest move you make all year. What if your second monitor was your second income stream? You already spend hours online, gaming, building, optimizing, staying steps ahead. That mindset, it's exactly what cybersecurity.
and I try to do some independent journalism,
It makes people nervous.
you think all this structure and all this extortion and all this stuff, you don't think everyone's scared to come in here?
Sure.
Okay, this is an objective record.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Absolutely.
Have a good day. I appreciate your help.
And as we said, you're welcome to go back in if you like.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
I should just go back in just for a good measure, just to make sure he doesn't think you ran me off. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'll be right back, Zach. All right, he had nothing to say that time. So here we are, Bartow, Florida. Liberty Troll is off probation. Now he can appeal his BS false charge and false arrest. I don't know how you can appeal it after conviction. I'm not well versed enough. And that's what we have for today. Tonight, Resisting Without Violence podcast. I'm gonna scramble and try to get a nice podcast going. It's on my second channel, Resisting Without Violence.